If you're using iPhone older version like iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, and if you want to update the iOS 18.1, let's go to settings, and in your iPhone settings, if you don't see the software update available option, or let's go to general software update. Here if you if you don't see this iOS 18.1 is not available, here's how to easily install iOS 18.1 on your older iPhone. Open Safari browser on your iPhone and type developer.apple.com. So make sure it's developer.apple.com and you directly jump into Apple developer websites, just like so. Here we have to sign into our account. So tap on this hamburger menu at the top left corner, and here just tap on account. And all you have to need, sign in here using your Apple account email or phone number. Once you successfully signed in, here scroll down all the way to the bottom, and now check this option, and here we can see I would like to receive communication announcing the latest events, news and updates for Apple developers. All you have to do is just check this option, yes, and tap on submit. And after submitting this form, after few minutes or after few hours, go back to your iPhone settings, and now in your iPhone settings here you should see the software update available option. If you're still not seeing this option, then give a simple restart, and after restarting your iPhone, make sure to connect your iPhone with the internet, and here now you should see the software update. Now go ahead and update iOS 18.1 on your older iPhone. Thanks for watching.